India's private space dream takes flight. Skyroot's Vikram 1 set for historic launch. India is on the verge of creating history in space exploration. Hyderabad based Skyroot Aerospace has announced the launch window for its maiden orbital mission, Agaman, which will carry the company's Vikram 1 rocket into space. The launch is scheduled between July 12th and August 4th, 2026, from the Satish Dhawan Space Center at Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. This mission is expected to become a landmark event because Vikram 1 is India's first privately developed orbital-class launch vehicle. Until now, orbital launches from India have been carried out by the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. A successful launch would mark the beginning of a new era in which private Indian companies can independently build and launch rockets into orbit. What is Vikram 1? Named after Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, the father of India's space program, Vikram 1 is a four-stage, small satellite launch vehicle designed by Skyroot Aerospace. Standing nearly 20 meters, about 7 stories tall, the rocket is capable of carrying payloads of up to 350 kilograms into low Earth orbit (LEO) at an altitude of around 450 kilometers. The rocket incorporates advanced carbon composite structures, lightweight materials, and modern avionics to improve efficiency while reducing launch costs. It is specifically designed for the rapidly growing global market for small satellite launches. Mission Agaman. The mission has been named Agaman, meaning arrival. The name symbolizes the arrival of India's private sector into the world of orbital spaceflight. As this is Vikram 1's maiden flight, the mission is primarily a technology demonstration. Engineers will closely monitor every phase of the launch, including ignition, stage separation, propulsion performance, guidance and navigation systems, flight stability, and the rocket's ability to accurately place its payload into orbit. The data collected during the mission will help validate the rocket's design and pave the way for future commercial launches. Why this mission matters? The success of Vikram 1 would represent far more than a single rocket launch. It would prove that Indian private companies possess the technological capability to build world-class launch vehicles. The mission is expected to strengthen India's growing space economy, attract greater domestic and international investment, create high-skilled jobs, and provide more affordable launch services for small satellites. It also supports the Indian government's vision of expanding private participation in the country's space sector. Skyroot's journey, founded in 2018 by former ISRO engineers, Skyroot Aerospace has rapidly emerged as one of India's leading private space companies. In 2022, it successfully launched Vikram S, India's first privately built suborbital rocket. That achievement demonstrated the company's engineering capabilities and laid the foundation for the much more ambitious Vikram 1 orbital mission. Looking ahead, if mission Agaman succeeds, Skyroot Aerospace will become the first private Indian company to place a rocket into orbit. The achievement would position India among a select group of nations where private companies operate orbital launch vehicles and could significantly enhance the country's competitiveness in the global commercial space market. As the launch window approaches, scientists, engineers, investors, and space enthusiasts across the world will be watching closely. Mission Agaman has the potential to become one of the defining milestones in India's modern space journey, opening the door to a future where private innovation plays an even greater role in exploring and utilizing space.